Hey everyone, Luke here, and welcome back to Ultimate Bricks. So today we're going to try and see if we can convert the First Order TIE Fighter into a First Order TIE Interceptor. I don't think this will be too hard to do, as the only difference between a TIE Fighter and a TIE Interceptor is just the wings. So what we'll do is we'll just pull the wings off, and we'll just leave the cockpit intact, and then we'll see if we can modify the wings to make it look like an interceptor. Alright, so I've taken apart one wing, and these are all the pieces that we have to work with. So hopefully there should be enough pieces for us to make a TIE Interceptor wing out of. So if you have the First Order TIE Fighter and you want to make it into a TIE Interceptor, just follow the rest of this build tutorial. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And there we have it, we now have a First Order Tie Interceptor. Overall, this conversion took just under an hour, and we have a few spare pieces left over which you can use for other creations. Now, if you don't have a display stand for this set, I suggest that you upgrade the hinges on the wings, as they are too weak and it tends to fall over if not put in the right place. You only really need to replace the bottom hinges just so it doesn't fall over, but if you have a display stand then you don't have to worry about it. The normal hinges will just hold up fine. If you're interested in getting a display stand, I'll put a link in the description and you can buy them from Laser Labs on eBay. These stands are very high quality and I highly recommend them. So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video.